Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Skylar, all the way from Coils with Skylar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, there is that big red button saying subscribe. This is the products that I am going to use for my low porosity hair routine today. If you have low porosity hair, heat is your friend. Heat is going to open up your cuticles in order for the moisture to get into the bam thank you ma'am. So without further ado, let's do the detangling. This is my spritz. This is just regular water with some conditioner obviously, and onion and aloe vera juice. So first I'm going to detangle my hair by spritzing my hair with the warm water. So you guys, I'm done detangling my hair. This is the amount of shedding that came out of my hair. Step 2, because this is onion juice and aloe vera, I'm going to use it as a pre-poo, yet a detangler. So I'm going to put a plastic bag on my head for a couple of minutes, about 15 to 30 minutes. As I said, heat is our friend, guys. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use this alone.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am back 20 minutes later, and this thing stinks. Shrinkage, honey, it's healthy hair, but I still have a lot of damages that I need to trim off. But nonetheless, this is not about trimming, this is about helping these ladies with low porosity hair that has the struggle that I have with product build up and products that doesn't absorb in the hair. But we will fix that problem today. Now that we are done with the conditioner, we will keep this conditioner on for 3 minutes. Welcome back, guys. I did rinse off my conditioner. Now we are going to apply. My hair is still damp, so we're gonna apply the deep conditioner. If you don't know how to check for if you're a low porosity, here is an example. All the water is on my hair. What I usually do is I squeeze it a little bit, and then I section this section into 2. No hooded dryer, no problem. I'm going to leave one side of my sleeve open. There is enough room for heat and enough room for heat to escape because you don't want any damages. So let's try this. Okay, so this is on the cold, medium, hot. We don't want to be there. Let's heat damages, medium heat.